Okay, we're here again at the mechanic place. We'll get the bike. Lando and Philip. Oh, they're same top color. We will get the bike here. Philip Boxer. That's already fixed. Wow, good. Looks like clean. Oh, magipalitan. Bago ng battery, anak. Oh. Perfect. Needs a gasoline? Saan pa gasolina?
Ito lang yung gasolina.
Magbalik na?
Mayroon gasolina.
Ah.
Sige mo ito agad.
Ila, kuya?
Sabi na,
500 fixing the bike. Thank you guys.
Yeah. Happy New Year.
Thank you. Oh wow, the bike. Okay, finished patting the car. Now it's fresh. Back home.
Oof.
Seems like you're taking a bath too.
Oh, golly. Boy, I don't like any of these sprayers here. See, the ones in America, it increases as you pull the trigger.
Oh, that's different.
So
huh?
you can really do a nice engine spray and clean up the engine and take the grease in that off. Here, man, it's one setting. It's all out or nothing.
Yeah.
Took the skin right off my finger.
Yeah, especially if your finger is no calas. It will rip up.
cold. Wet. Yeah, the wash is in America. Like I said, you can set it on wash. You can set it on soap. You can set it on brush. Every one of them's got a brush, so you can brush your vehicle. I mean, it's a whole different ballgame than here. And there's no such thing as mud on the floor. Each individual one washes down right there. They got the drains right there.
Yeah,
So there
because
is no such thing.
so you won't get mud soap when you wash.
And like I said, it's a gun, and then you can switch to. The only thing it don't do is dry off your vehicle.
I think that wash is
Well, once you
good
get
for
the soap, and they even got a wax thing where you can wax your vehicle, put wax on it.
it might rain daily. Look at the clothes, just change quick. Be careful. Where the people came from? Almost bike.
Yeah, busy all of a sudden.
Wow, clouds, dark clouds.